What's up, guy? John here. So I just lowered my front fork 2 inch and I ordered a brand new handlebar right here from Compassimo. So I ordered this in silver and it doesn't match well with my bike, so I tried to paint it and the paint like chip off like that. You see, you get your fingernail, you go like that, and then the paint gonna like fall off. So I'm gonna have to remove the handlebar and then buff it and then make sure everything like the old paint and stuff all gone. And then I'm gonna try a different spray paint to make this black, so make the bike look way better. And front fork lower down like 2 inch, and it make the bike look way better. You see. And I got the 3M decal right there, the shark T, and holy shit, that shit make the bike look so fucking sexy, dude. And the only thing that I am missing is the engine cover right here, that, and then the front signal and then the rear signal. So for the rear signal, I'm gonna remove this and order a brand new tail light with like integrate tail turn signal in here, so I can remove this, so it's gonna make the bike look way better. And I might put like bigger tire on it. There, the bike look clean, everything looking good. And for the hand grip right here, I got one red and one black right there. So for the front signal right there, I'm gonna remove those two, and then by the flush signal, like the one that stay in here, not like come out like that, it's gonna make the bike look like cleaner and stuff. Right there. And I might put a new exhaust in the grom, because this thing is too loud. And for the, you see the front fork right here, the gold piece, I'm thinking about like wrapping it like matte black, or yeah, I'm thinking about wrapping it matte black, so it's gonna make the bike look way better with that. And look at the detail on the decal right there. There's like some bubble and stuff, but I can't take those off. I ordered that on eBay for like 40 bucks. There you go. Take like, I said like 2 or 3 weeks to arrive home. There you go. My bike update, looking good there. And yeah, overall that's all my like mod for the grom right now. I'm gonna order a new tail light, new turn signal, then the engine cover, and wrap that thing black, and then the grom gonna be all done. And before I forgot, I'm thinking about like order a new shark damper or something like that, but those things cost like, I said like 450 or 500 bucks. I don't have money right now, so I can't buy that yet. Plus, if I'm gonna change the stock and stuff, I have to bring it out and let them change. Cause last time I have to call my my brother come over to like lift the grom up, so I can put like the bolt in and stuff. There, everything looking good. I need to clean the inside. It's a little bit dirty, but yeah, everything's good. Fun little bike. Since I lowered down the grom and put the decal right there, a lot of people like taking a picture, and they like rolling up next to you and then asking questions and stuff like that. go. All right, see you guys next time on Audemars. Peace.